In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble the Mainstays 5-shelf bookcase. Throughout the assembly, work on a protected surface. Screw the cam bolts in approximately 1/3 of the length. Do not screw them in all the way. Position the cam locks so that the opening is facing the raw edge of the shelf. When connecting the side panels to the shelves, turn the cam lock a half-turn clockwise to secure the bolt. Do not use power tools, as this can damage the unit. Build the unit near its intended location. Do not move the unit until the back panels are fully secured. Do not push or drag the unit. Always lift carefully with 2 people. Begin by placing the fixed shelf, part C, with the holes facing up on a protected surface. Then screw 4 cam bolts, part 2, into the inner holes as shown, by screwing them into place. Next, place the top shelf, part B1, as shown, and hammer 2 compression dowels, part 3, 7/16 inch into the side holes shown. Then, insert 2 cam locks, part 1. Position the cam locks so that the opening is facing the raw edge of the shelf. Now, attach the safety strap to the top shelf using 1 screw, part 7C, with 1 flat washer, part 7E. Tighten the safety strap securely, being careful not to over-tighten it. Hammer 3 compression dowels approximately 7/16 inch into the kick panel, part E2. Next, hammer 2 compression dowels 7/16 inch into the bottom shelf, part B1 as shown. Then insert 2 cam locks. Now, align the kicker panel and bottom shelf and press them together. Next, insert a cam bolt into the upper panel, part A, on the left side with the finished edge facing you as shown. Then insert a cam bolt into the other upper panel, part A, securing the cam bolt in the hole on the right side as shown. Now, with the finished edge towards you, insert 2 cam locks in the left side of the lower left panel, part F. Then, insert a cam bolt on the hole on the right side. Next, with the finished edge towards you, on the lower right panel, part G, insert a cam bolt on the left corner. Then, insert 2 cam locks on the right edge. Now align the upper left and right panels with the top shelf with the strap attached, ensuring all the unfinished surfaces are facing up. Then secure them by turning the cam locks clockwise. Now, align fixed shelf, part C, with the previously installed cam bolts facing away from the rest of the assembly. Secure the corners using 4 1 3/4 inch Phillips screws, part 6. Next, align the lower right panel, part G, and then secure it by turning 2 cam locks half-turn clockwise. Then align the bottom shelf, part B1, and secure it by turning the cam lock half a turn clockwise. Now align the lower left panel, part F, and secure it by turning the 3 cam locks half-turn clockwise. Do not move the unit until the back panels are fully secured. Next, align the upper back panel, part I, to the unfinished side, making sure there are equal margins on all sides. Secure it with nails, part 4, on each side and across the top. Make sure not to nail the bottom yet. Align the lower back panel, part I, making sure there are equal margins on all sides. It should overlap with the previously installed upper back panel. Then secure it using nails on all 4 sides. Then, stick an end cap, part 8, into place, leaving about a ½ inch from the end. Repeat for the other 3 end caps. Next, stand the unit up. Then insert 4 shelf supports, part 5, at the desired shelf height. Now, slide a shelf onto the supports with the finished side facing out. Repeat for the other 2 shelves, making sure to use part D for the top shelves and part H for the bottom. You can install the safety strap in 2 different configurations. Option 1. Fasten the safety strap to a wall stud using screw 7D through washer 7E. Option 2. Drill a 3/16" hole in the wallboard. Then, tap the wall anchor into the hole until it's flush. Now fasten the strap using screw 7D through washer 7E.